Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you feeling overwhelmed by a mountain of story ideas, character notes, and half-finished chapters? Maybe you wish your writing projects looked a little more pulled together, or even, dare I say, aesthetic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize all your writing or novel projects in a truly beautiful and efficient way, using Notion and a free, professionally designed template. By the end of this, you'll have a streamlined, visually pleasing space for all your creative work, making it so much easier to track your progress and actually enjoy the writing process. Let's jump right into it. For this demo, we're going to use a free Notion template specifically designed for writing and novel projects. The beauty of using a template is that it comes with a professional layout already built in. That means instead of getting stuck figuring out how to design your own system from scratch, you can focus on what really matters, your story. And don't worry, you can always tweak things later to make it completely your own. First, go to Notion and look up to the top left corner of your workspace. You'll see a little drop-down arrow. That's where all your workspace options live. Click there to open up more features. Now in the list that pops up, look for something called Browse Templates. This is a goldmine for Notion users, and honestly, it's like having a shelf of ready-to-go notebooks just waiting for you. Give it a second to load, especially if you're on a slower internet connection. This part might take a few moments. Once you're in the template gallery, type writing or novel into the search bar. There are tons of templates out there, so scroll through until you find one that speaks to your style. Maybe you want something simple and minimal, or perhaps you'd love a more colorful visual board for inspiration. Take your time to pick the one that really excites you because you'll be spending a lot of time here. When you found a template you like, just click on it to get a preview. If it feels right, hit the Add button to bring it into your own Notion space. The template instantly appears in your workspace, and it's packed with sections you'll love. Think character sheets, plot timelines, world-building databases, and spots to tuck away research or little bursts of inspiration. It's all right there, ready for you to fill in. Now start personalizing your new setup. Add your project's name, upload a banner image that fits your vibe, and start populating the template with your own story ideas. Maybe drop in your protagonist's profile, outline your chapters, or even paste in snippets of dialogue you thought of on the go. This is the moment where everything starts to feel uniquely yours. And remember, these templates are super flexible. You can delete any sections you don't need, add new ones, or even change up the fonts and colors for that perfect aesthetic touch. Take a breath and have some fun with it. Don't stress about getting everything perfect the first time around. The goal here is to give your creativity a home, a place you want to come back to day after day. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on organizing your creative life. Drop your questions or what you'd love to see next in the comments below. I always love chatting with you down there. Happy writing and see you in the next video.